Welcome to my channel. Flights Assistance Austrian Airlines Luggage Policy, Carry-on and Check Bags 2025 Flying with Austrian Airlines in 2025. Luggage emoji, airplane emoji. This quick guide explains everything about their luggage policy, including carry-on and check baggage allowances, weight limits, and extra fees. Whether you're traveling light or packing heavy, know what to expect before you fly? Carry-on baggage allowance. Austrian Airlines allows all passengers one carry-on bag and one personal item, with business class passengers permitted 2 carry-on bags. The carry-on must not exceed 55 by 40 by 23 centimeters, including handles and wheels, and 8 kilograms in weight. The personal item, for example, handbag, laptop bag, must fit within 40 by 30 by 10 centimeters. Oversized or overweight carry-ons may be checked into the hold with excess baggage fees applied. Alternatively, a foldable garment bag, max 57 by 54 by 15 centimeters, can replace the carry-on. Check baggage allowance by fare class. The check baggage allowance depends on the fare class and route. Economy light fares exclude free check baggage, requiring passengers to purchase it separately. Economy classic and flex fares include one bag up to 23 kilograms. Premium economy, saver, basic, flex, allows 2 bags up to 23 kilograms each, while business class, saver, flex, permits 2 bags up to 32 kilograms each. First class passengers can check 3 bags up to 32 kilograms each. Always check your ticket for specific allowances, as routes to / from the US or Canada may follow the first airline's rules per CTA and US regulations. Size and weight restrictions. Check baggage must not exceed 158 centimeters, length plus width plus height, including handles and wheels. Bags over 158 centimeters, but up to 292 centimeters are considered oversized and may incur fees or require special transport arrangements. The maximum weight is 23 kilograms for economy and premium economy, and 32 kilograms for business and first class. Bags exceeding 32 kilograms are not accepted at check-in and must be shipped as cargo, requiring advance notification via Austrian's customer service. Excess baggage fees. Excess baggage fees vary by route and booking method. For example, adding a bag on economy light for European flights costs €30 online or €80 at check-in. For long-haul flights to Asia, South Africa, or the US West, fees can reach €300 per bag one way at check-in. Booking online or via the call center saves you €1550 per bag. A ticket service fee, €10-20, may apply at the airport. Up to 5 extra bags can be booked online, more require contacting the service center. Sports equipment policy. Austrian Airlines transports sports equipment like ski, snowboard, or golf bags within the free baggage allowance if they meet weight, up to 23 kilograms for economy, 32 kilograms for business, and size, up to 158 centimeters, limits. Oversized or overweight equipment incurs fees starting at €70, depending on the item and route. Ski or snowboard equipment, up to 200 centimeters, 32 kilograms, is free for all classes except economy light and US routes, but space is limited, requiring advance notification. Hun Circle, Senator, and Star Gold members get one free golf bag, except economy light or US-Canada routes. Special baggage and musical instruments. Musical instruments can be checked if within the baggage allowance and securely packed. Instruments exceeding 32 kilograms or 292 centimeters must be shipped as cargo, with prior contact to customer service. Fragile items receive special handling, but advance notification is recommended. Other special items, like wedding dresses or fishing equipment, can be checked as additional baggage, subject to fees if exceeding the allowance. Child and infant baggage, children up to 2 years old on Economy Classic, Flex, or business fares receive one checked bag, up to 23 kilograms for economy, 32 kilograms for business. Foldable strollers, car seats, or travel cots weighing up to 10 kilograms can be checked for free at the gate or check-in, and are returned upon landing. Heavier strollers, over 10 kilograms, count toward the baggage allowance, with fees applied if exceeded. One child seat, baby basket, or foldable pushchair is allowed as additional hand luggage per child. Airporter partnership for baggage handling. Since at least December 2024, Austrian Airlines partners with Airporter to offer a door-to-door luggage service in Vienna and other cities, starting at €22 or 7,260 miles. Airporter collects, checks in, and delivers bags, allowing passengers to skip bag drop queues and baggage claim. Bags are sealed, tracked, and insured, with digital receipts provided. This service is ideal for oversized items or travelers seeking convenience, with delivery slots customizable to home, hotel, or office. Electronic bag tags and digital solutions. Austrian Airlines supports electronic bag tags, enabling passengers to label bags digitally from home or on the go, streamlining check-in. The airline's baggage calculator on its website helps passengers determine allowances and fees, based on fare, route, and frequent flyer status. Online check-in allows booking up to 5 additional bags, with discounted rates compared to airport purchases, enhancing flexibility and cost savings. Baggage rules for multi-airline itineraries. For journeys involving multiple airlines, the baggage rules of the airline operating the longest or most significant leg apply, regardless of who operates the flight. For trips starting or ending in the US or Canada, the first airline on the ticket sets the rules per CTA and US. Regulations. Passengers should check their ticket or passenger receipt for specific allowances, as charter or holiday flights may have different rules. Baggage can be checked through for connecting flights within 24 hours, 12 hours for United Airlines, if departing from the same airport and meeting local regulations. These points cover Austrian Airlines baggage policy comprehensively, incorporating recent updates like the Airporter partnership and digital tagging options. For precise fees or special item arrangements, check Austrian's website or contact their service center at +43 517 66 1000. Hope you liked this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.